Well, he's not in. We can't get hold of a surprise contact. So we'll go to plan C.
Hello.
Hi, Eugene.
Yeah.
Eugene, it's Christian here from BOTB.
Oh, hello, Christian.
Hello, Eugene. How are you?
I'm okay.
Good. Are you at home?
I can get back within the hour. Christian, what's going on?
Eugene?
Yes.
Eugene! Christian, how are you?
Oh, really? A pint of anxiety. That's what you've given me.
I'm sure. Thank you so much for coming home from work early.
That's all right.
What do you do for a living? What's your job?
I'm a digital project manager.
Okay.
So anything online, AI, apps, etc.
Wicked.
Yeah.
Did you ever think we'd be here in Hitchin?
No, never. No, it's that cliche where they say, I never thought it'd be me. No, I never. No.
Today it is. Do you want to come with me? Yeah? Come on.
I'm looking around because I know
There's a lot of cars here.
there's a lot of cars here. Yeah. So I don't know. Is it car? Is it cash? I don't know.
So you can't remember what you entered in
I
for?
cannot remember at all. At all.
Eugene, if you look down there,
Yeah.
for 20p, you've just won an Aston Martin Vantage.
way!
Yes.
No way!
Yes.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
An Aston Martin is yours.
Oh my god! Do you know how much I've won? Oh my god!
I can see you properly.
It's my dream car!
Oh, come and have a look at it.
No way! Hi, Katie! Sorry, I would look at.
Proper shaking. Are you okay?
Yeah, I've had quite a year. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah, quite a year.
Give Katie a hug as well.
Quite a year. I'm so sorry.
Congratulations! How are you?
Nervous wreck.
Mate, you've just won an Aston Martin for 20p.
It's been so. Yeah.
How come? Tell me what's happened this year.
Oh well, I had a hip replacement in February. I've been out of work for about a year. Didn't get a contract.
Come here. Bring it in. Bring it in. Oh, mate. This is a lot of stress that you've had, literally just instantly lifted.
I said I wasn't going to do that.
Mate, this is a big day for you. It's a big day for you.
Wow. An Aston Martin. Oh my god. Bond.
Yes.
Black Bond.
Black Bond. Love it. Yes. Talking of Bond.
Oh, yeah.
Do you want to sit inside
Can
and
I?
feel
Oh
like
my
what it's
God.
like to be Bond? Come on, jump in.
Get in.
Oh my god. My son is going to go bananas. Oh wow, this is just outstanding. It's more than outstanding.
It's quite the beast, this thing. Oh, mate.
It is. Oh god.
It's a lot to take in, I know.
20p.
20p.
You guys smashed it. Thank you.
And then, if we push this sport button here,
Yeah.
we'll get it into Sport Plus mode.
It is really happening, isn't it?
This is really
Oh,
happening.
God.
Yeah.
How did that feel?
I accelerated and it shook. It actually shook.
That wasn't the trains going past.
It
either.
wasn't me either. It just the car. Oh my god. It's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. I can't even speak now. Oh my god.
Who's the first person you're going to tell?
It's going to be my wife.
What's she going to say?
She's going to cry.
Is she?
She's had she's backed me in everything. She's going to, yeah. So don't you normally say you can have the car with the cash, and that would just break my heart because I want to keep it.
I was going to ask you that, but you can keep the car. The car's yours.
Yeah.
But it sounds like obviously the cash also would come in really handy.
Yeah, it would.
Right now.
Yeah.
Well, look, there's no time limit. You just take as long as you like to decide.
Okay.
Let everything sink in. Phone your wife. I'd love to see what she's
Yeah.
going to say on the phone.
Yeah.
And tell her what's happened today.
I will. I don't normally spend more than £2 because I'm watching every penny. And yeah, so I just entered and then just forgot.
Safe to say,
Yeah.
we did manage to surprise you.
Yes, you did.
It wasn't
yeah.
quite at your door,
No.
but close enough.
Yeah.
I know it's been a really tough couple of years for you. Hopefully we can
Yep.
we can change that around today.
Totally.
So massive congrats. Come in for the hug. Well
Congratulations.
done, mate. Well done.
Thank you so much.
Huge congrats.
So happy for you.
Oh god,
so
I am
happy.
so happy.
And now you could be our next winner. Go and enter to win that M3 Touring for just 19p.